Alright guys, it's Sunday morning. I skipped one day of Vlogmas, which is the entire day of Saturday. It was a really intense, and it has been intense days. And I didn't want to vlog because, you know, basically we're just doing nothing. She is sick, and we're just contemplating her. We're just trying to keep her comfortable as much as possible. And basically what that is just staying home, laying down and doing absolutely nothing but watching TV. So that's exactly what we did all day yesterday, with the exception of waking up and taking her to the urgent care. Something my motherly instinct just told me, you know what, just take her in. You know, it's better to get answers and to be safe than sorry. And that's exactly what we did. And it looks like she has, or she was starting to get a little ear infection, so they gave us antibiotics. Okay, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Target. I have to stock up on stuff and food that I can possibly make and do for us without having to go out. So I gotta get some water. I know I do water runs all the time, and I should probably just... Alright guys, so I could not find any 2-liter Sprites, I believe, or 7-Up. So here I am in Target, my favorite store. And I ended up getting a can of 7-Up. I got the 12 pack, yeah. So, wait, did I get 7-Up or Sprite? Oh, it's so confusing. Anyways, I picked up 7-Up, some Smart Water, some gallons of water for her, some gallons of water for us, some meatballs. Oops, and I dropped one of the water bottles. What else? I ended up getting some noodles to make the noodle soup that I made today, some Campbell's chicken noodle soup for her, and just little things that I thought she could possibly want, at least for tomorrow, to not have to leave the house, because you guys know I have nobody here at home to watch her. So that's exactly what we got at our trip to Target. ¿Qué tienes? Okay. What I suggest is bend your leg, turn to your side, and then use your arm like stuff like that. That way you're not doing it. And more of this. Oh, it's today.
No.
¿Lo quieres pintar? Had to come get water outside. Oh my god, it's so heart-wrenching to see Valentina cry and cry and cry.
No,
those are fun.
Mommy. Yeah.
Ya vamos a ir.
Mommy,
¿Te puedes acostar en tu car?
no.
Acuestas, quitas.
Mommy.
Ya, hombre, ya pronto va a llegar el chinito, se pidió la de chocolate.
This is the hospital where she was born. ¿Me hiciste de comer?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Welcome.
Yo también hice de comer.
Mira, you.
No, not you.
Like she was gonna eat it. She's fucking. Done, super mama.
All right, so the end clip audio was too low. Basically, we got home. She had some fries and chicken nuggets. I know, not the best meal, but this is what she was asking for. So we got her to eat a little bit and drink some more fluids, which is amazing. Valentina is really not a sick child, so she got really unused to drinking medication and that whole syringe and taste conception. So yeah, she, as for now, she hates medication. She hates the doctor's office. She hates getting checked. Anything to do with the doctors, she hates it. So at the emergency, I requested for her to get an antibiotic shot, and that's exactly what they gave her, along with Motrin given orally. She took it. She was a champ. And we got the shot, and she's feeling a lot better. This is much better, more effective. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you so much.